In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics from your Wix dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and head to your main Wix dashboard. This is the central control area where you manage your site settings, tools, and connected services. If you manage more than one website in Wix, make sure you're opening the correct site before moving forward, since integrations are applied to the specific site you're working on. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side. This panel is where Wix organizes the major areas of your website management, including design, content, marketing, and business tools. For this setup, you'll want to select Marketing and SEO. This section is specifically meant for promoting your site, improving visibility, and connecting tracking tools that help you understand your traffic and performance. After opening Marketing and SEO, continue to Marketing Integrations. This is the area where Wix groups together external marketing and analytics platforms that can be linked to your site. If the page takes a second to load, that's normal, especially if your dashboard contains several connected tools or active features. Now, look through the available integration cards until you find the Google Analytics option. Depending on your screen size or dashboard layout, it may appear in a row of cards or within a list of available services. Take your time to locate the correct module so you don't accidentally open a different Google-related tool. When you find the Google Analytics card, click Connect. This begins the process of linking Google Analytics to your Wix website. From here, Wix will guide you through the connection flow, and in most cases, you'll be prompted to continue with the appropriate Google account and confirm the integration. Make sure you're using the account associated with the analytics property you want to track, so your website data is sent to the correct place. As a quick tip, before clicking through any confirmation windows, it's a good idea to double check that you're still working on the right Wix site and connecting the right analytics setup. This can save time later and help avoid tracking confusion. And that's it. You've now reached the point where you can connect Google Analytics directly from the Wix dashboard using the built-in marketing integrations area.